Hi guys, welcome to my video. I'm now grinding for black fruits. Hi. Might skip this part, but there's two NPC soldiers more, so I probably not skip this part. I can tell you guys are bored or complaining. I can thinking. I think that's loud. Better than my voice. Whoa. By the way, my friend said, do not do this quest, but I'm curious. You can probably do this easily. Like in here, I think. I don't know where I am going. I regret my choices. Help! I'm lagging. Oh, there. What the heck? I need to get out of here. Sorry for that. Stop interrupting me! Die! Let's grind some more. What is a wood plank? Wood plank. Back. Hey, this is kind of bored. I might skip this part. You deserve this. There's nobody say 6-7. Please. Ow. Guys, I found them. You cannot get me, guys. Ow. I may die, but they are the first to die. Ooh, another golden treasure chest. Guys. I don't know what to say, honestly. Die. I honestly regret this. That small level. Guys, let's roll a fruit. Let's go. That's Midtown or that's jungle? Never mind, I'm wrong. It's actually Pirate Island. Ow. Guys, I'm moving on. Good. Almost died there. Ta-da! is that? Yum. Wait, what? Just guessed. Yum. Let's roll a fruit. 2 hours. Let's roll a fruit. I will close my eyes. What do I get? Bomb! Look at it. What did I do? I'm angry and I will make a cult surrounding with this guy. I forgot what is that. Bomb fruit. I am angry. Guys, sorry. I need to end the video. This is my inventory or slash items. Wait, there. There. This. This is my build, by the way. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm sorry if this video is short, literally, but I hope you have a fantastic day, and like and subscribe to my videos. Bye!